Is Ilya Konik and my student number is 101460488, and this is a demo for lab exercise number 1 for full stack development. So my app is up and running right here, as you can see. I use Docker Compose for MongoDB, but I don't think there was a requirement to show the code, so I'll just go straight to the demo. So let's try to log in as a not existing user, whatever it is, and some password. Oh, not correct credentials. Let's sign up. Let's sign up. Bogdan, Bogdan, and last name Bandalak. Let's say, and the password will be 1234. As we can see, we can successfully sign up. Let's also create another user. First of all, let's try to enter the same. Done. Let's try to enter the same username, and it will complain user already exists. But let's choose another name. Let's say Lena, and Lena, and let's input some surname. Okay, perfect, and the password as well. 1234. Sign up. Perfect. Okay, so let's try to log in. I will put wrong password right now, so as we can see, it will not let it go through. I put a correct password, and I get to the chats, and let's do the same here. Okay, perfect. We can see that we see all the chats. As far as I understood from the assignment description, these messages, these groups should be hard-coded. There was no requirement for any administrator to add groups or something, so I just hard-coded a list of groups. Let's go to sports. We will go to sports group. So let's join the room. We see that there is no messages for now, but let's join the room from Lena site, and we see system says, oh, Lena joins the group. We'll say hello, Lena, how are you? And as we can see that the message when we are printing is there, that we are printing it. Okay, so let's send it, and we can see that it is here, and as well it shows on our chat for sure. And let's hi, I am fine. What about you? As we can see, it also, the message of typing also appears here, and we can send it. Yeah, and everything seems to work fine. I'm sorry. So let's leave a room, and as we can see, after leaving room, we will get opportunity to log out and join another room. So let's join another room. And as we can see, I have already populated some messages with other users. This message doesn't really make any sense, but still we can see that they are loaded from a database and shown to us here. So let's actually go back to sports room, and we can see that our messages are kept there. Okay, so let's leave the room, and let's see that we can log out. After log out, we can see that we are prompted to log in. I do delete the authentication token after log out. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. And actually, just to mention, I did use Bootstrap for the UI, and I did use all the required technologies for socket communication. So but there was a bigger list of what we need to use, but I think it just doesn't really make sense to use like million of technologies in one app. So I would assume that just there was like you can use these technologies if you want type of requirement, because I didn't see this in requirements. And another thing, there was a description of a private chat, but I did not really find any requirements what to do, how to do it. Is it supposed to be like list of all users or something? So I did not implement it because there was no description, and also in requirements there was no requirements at all on private chats. the only thing that was about private chats is the model for private chats, but nothing else. So that's why I did not implement it, and I think it was, yeah, as it was not really clear whether we need to do it or not.